Wonder Kids Movies.
Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to our owl-tastic adventure, where we'll be uncovering the secrets of the nighttime superheroes, owls. Are you ready to embark on this nocturnal journey? Great! Let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered what happens when the sun goes down and the world is bathed in darkness? While we humans might be snuggled up in our beds, there are creatures out there ruling the night. And at the top of that list are none other than owls. Owls are truly the superheroes of the night. While we're sleeping, they're wide awake, soaring through the dark skies, on a mission to hunt for their dinner. But what makes them such incredible hunters? Well, it's all in their superpowers. First off, let's talk about their extraordinary eyesight. Unlike us, owls have eyes that are specially designed to see in the dark. Their large, round eyes gather as much light as possible, allowing them to spot even the tiniest movements of their prey in the dead of night. Imagine having eyes like that. But that's not all. Owls also have another amazing ability: silent flight. Have you ever heard an owl swoop down on its prey? Probably not. That's because owls have special feathers that muffle the sound of their wings as they fly. It's like they're flying on stealth mode. So, armed with their keen eyesight and stealthy flight, owls dominate the night skies, making them the ultimate nighttime superheroes. And there you have it, folks. Owls truly are the champions of the night, with their incredible eyesight and silent flight making them the ultimate predators. We're going to talk about something really fascinating about owls: their silent wings. Have you ever wondered why we hardly hear owls when they fly at night? Well, it's because of their amazing ability to fly silently. You see, most birds make noise when they flap their wings because of the way their feathers are structured. But owls have special feathers that are designed to reduce noise as they fly. These feathers have soft edges that help to break up the air turbulence, making their flight nearly silent. Imagine if you were a mouse or a small rodent, and you were trying to hide from an owl. If the owl's wings made a lot of noise as it flew, you would hear it coming from far away and have time to escape. But because owls can fly silently, they can sneak up on their prey without being detected. This incredible adaptation gives owls a huge advantage when they're hunting at night. They can fly through the darkness, almost like ghosts, without alerting their prey to their presence. So, next, we're going to talk about something really cool: different owl species. Did you know that there are many types of owls all around the world? It's true. Let's dive into the fascinating world of these amazing birds. First, let's talk about the barn owl. Barn owls are known for their heart-shaped faces and beautiful golden brown feathers. They often live in barns, old buildings, and sometimes even in tree holes. Next, we have the snowy owl. These owls are truly magnificent with their stunning white feathers. They live in the Arctic regions, where they blend perfectly with the snowy landscapes. Then there's the great horned owl. As the name suggests, they have large, distinctive ear tufts that look like horns. They are skilled hunters and can be found in forests, deserts, and even in urban areas. Moving on, we have the elf owl, which is one of the smallest owl species in the world. Despite their tiny size, they have big personalities and live in desert regions, making their homes in cacti or woodpecker holes. And let's not forget about the spectacled owl. named for the white feathers around its eyes that make it look like it's wearing glasses. These owls inhabit the dense forests of Central and South America. Finally, there's the Eurasian eagle owl, one of the largest owl species. With their piercing orange eyes and tufted ears, they are truly majestic birds of prey, found in Europe and Asia. So as you can see, there's a whole world of owls out there, each with its own unique features and habitats. Isn't nature amazing? Owls are incredibly adaptable creatures and can be found all over the world, from dense forest to open plains. They make their nests in a variety of places, including tree hollows, abandoned buildings, and even burrows dug by other animals. These clever birds are masters at creating cozy homes for themselves wherever they go. Owls have a diverse diet that includes rodents, insects, birds, and even fish. They are skilled hunters, thanks to their sharp talons and keen eyesight. Did you know that some owls can catch prey in complete darkness? It's true. Their incredible vision allows them to hunt effectively, even in the dead of night. So, whether they're soaring through the forest or silently swooping down on their next meal, owls are truly remarkable creatures that have adapted to thrive in a variety of habitats. Did you know that owls have been a symbol of wisdom and magic in many cultures around the world for centuries? Yep, that's right. People used to believe that owls had special powers and could even predict the future. Now let's talk about why owls are so mysterious. One reason is their nighttime habits. Owls are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. Imagine walking through the dark woods and suddenly hearing the hoot of an owl echoing through the trees. Spooky, right? But don't worry, owls are more afraid of us than we are of them. Another mystery about owls is their silent flight. Unlike other birds, owls can fly without making a sound. How cool is that? It's all thanks to their special feathers and wing structure. This silent flight helps them sneak up on their prey without being detected. But perhaps the biggest mystery of all is the role owls play in folklore and legends. From ancient Greek myths to Native American stories, owls have always captured people's imaginations. Some cultures believe owls are wise creatures that bring good luck, while others see them as symbols of death and darkness. So, as you can see, owls are full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Who knows what other secrets these fascinating birds are hiding? Keep your eyes and ears open, and maybe you'll uncover some owl mysteries of your own. Stay curious, my friends.